In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Madrid Sinewave in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, such as Forex, crypto, stocks, or indices. The process will be exactly the same no matter what you are looking at. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the price candles, we are ready to bring in the indicator. At the top of your TradingView chart, look for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it is usually near the middle or left side of the toolbar above the chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up a new window or panel where all of TradingView's built-in indicators, community scripts, and your favorites are stored. Inside this Indicators window, you will see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any specific tool instead of scrolling through long lists. Click on the search box so that your cursor is active there, and then start typing the name of the indicator you want. In this case, type Madrid Sinewave slowly and carefully so it is spelled correctly. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Once you see Madrid Sinewave appear in the search results, move your mouse over it. To add it to your chart, simply click on the name once. You should immediately see the Madrid Sinewave plotted on your chart, usually as a series of coloured moving averages or bands that track price action. If it does not appear right away, double check that you clicked the correct script and that it is enabled in your indicator list. After it is added, you can customize it by hovering over the indicator name at the top left of your chart and clicking on the settings icon. Here you can adjust inputs like lengths, colors, or line thickness so that it matches your personal style and is easy to read against your chart background. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until everything looks clean and clear. Finally, if you are not yet on TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators per chart, extra layouts, and a smoother overall experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the video description. It is a simple way to upgrade your account while also supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. That is all you need to do to add the Madrid Sinewave indicator in TradingView Pro and start using it in your own trading.